Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm getting ready to do something my mother would not have allowed. I'm doing a Weird Barbie collab, and I'll tell you how it got started. On a chat list on Instagram, Dory and Shelly were talking about how we could just make them, and we got to talking and we were laughing, and we decided to do a collab. So then we got to talking about what Barbies we might use. In this collab, hosted by Shelly's Dollies and Dory's Dollies, is Ayla Avar, Tina's, or I guess she would use the channel Tina Barbie. She also has Tina's Reborns and More. Elise from Elise Explosion, Gayla from Gayla's La La Land, Irene from Irene's Dolly World, J Dolls UK, Mel from Living It Gigi Ma Style, and I, Dolls Rescued, have all put together, and I'm going to tell you, you're going to want to click around and see all the weird Barbies today because everybody had a different idea of how we might do this. So where am I on mine? Oh, my mother would not like this. See my pins setting out? Oh, I'm going to write on her face. Where's the black? Okay, that's blue. Oh, I think it was this one, and I have to pull it apart, which makes it even more childish. So here we go. My Barbie was found in a bin of Barbies that I had bought at a garage sale. So she already looked like this. So some people were doing, okay, it's not exactly like, but it doesn't have to be. That's one of the things we were talking about. I think it was Shelly that said you can't do Weird Barbie wrong. I don't know, I think I just did. Ah! Oh God, my mother would just... I have dolls from my childhood that my mother kept for me. And I have my Barbies and Kens and Allens and Rickies and Skippers and, well, Midge, all of them. So here's what I had done. Okay, here's my girl, and here's the picture. So the world is just crazy over this Barbie movie, and it is fun. Especially for adults that played with Barbies as a child, because there's a lot of nods to your childhood Barbies. They have these all sorts of movie dolls. I don't have to tell you that for sale, and they just keep getting more expensive. This is my take on the Weird Barbie. Do I have her kind of cockeyed there? There we go.
Well, she is a weird Barbie.
Yes, she is a weird Barbie, you're right. So I had this fabric and I thought it was perfect, but I didn't know how to do this. So I know J Dolls UK does some painting on fabric. So I contacted her to see how to do it, and that's what I came up with. It actually, it looks better in a close-up than it does from a distance. I used a McCall's wedding dress sleeves. I Frankensteined this pattern. This is actually the fold over. I say fold over, I mean at the shoulder. That very popular Blythe pattern, I use that for the top. She's cockeyed. I don't know what we got going on here. Anyway, I added darts, and then I made my own skirt. It has tulle underneath for the doll that you could buy. I used lace around the edge. You can see I put it underneath. Added a snap in the back, and that's my Weird Barbie dress. How many places did we go to find pink socks so I could make these stockings? Oh my God, I looked everywhere for these. I think I found them.
Timbuktu.
Yeah, I think I found them when we were traveling at one of the either Dollar Trees or Walmart. They weren't expensive, they were just hard to find. I had these pink boots, and I think they're very cute. I do not have snakeskin boots, so I thought those would do. I also have these in black, and I thought, no, that looks too good. So I was digging out something else in my Barbie tub, and I came across these boots that I had picked up here or there. One was pink and one was silver. I don't know, maybe you know what doll these came off of. Leave it in the comments if you do, because that might be interesting. So I took a black marker to them and fancied them up, and they fit perfect. I mean, there's a little snap to them when they go on. They're so perfect over the tights. So that is my Weird Barbie. Thank you to everyone who participated in this fun collab. I sure had a good time. Thank you for watching. Please take a minute. I'm going to have all the links below in the description. Please take a minute and have fun. Treat yourself to a fun time. You might want to grab a coffee or a soda and just sit down and watch one after another. I can almost guarantee we live next to farm field and the farmers pulling in. That's why you hear our little alarm going off. I can almost guarantee some smiles and giggles as you watch these. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Yes, a comment. Let me know how you like my Barbie, and subscribe.